So guys, before we get into the video, I would just like to quickly thank bookmark.com for sponsoring this video. If you don't already know, Bookmark is one of the easiest and coolest website builders out there. The site lets you create your own personal website, whether that be a design portfolio or an online store, in the matter of minutes. It uses an AI website builder, meaning you can create a site with no technical knowledge whatsoever. So if this does interest you, make sure to head over to bookmark.com. The link's in the description. You can find more information on how to get started there. What's up guys, Visual here, but you can call me James, and in this video I'm going to be giving you guys a free Apex Legends YouTube thumbnail template. So guys, recently the game Apex Legends has become fairly popular, and a lot of people have been requesting that I create some design videos related around it. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys a free thumbnail template. I'm just going to say now that if you want to, you can click in the description and you can go ahead and download this now, open it up in Photoshop and start using it. However, if you don't know how to use templates or you just need some help, I'm now going to be going through how to actually use it. So first of all, once you have clicked the link in the description and you have downloaded the folder, you will get a folder that does contain all of these files. So the first folder here is labeled fonts. If you open this up, it will have the two fonts that I used, so you will need to go ahead and install those. If you don't know how to do that already, it's really easy. Literally just highlight both of them, right click and go to install, and it's as simple as that. Next we have a readme, which of course I do recommend you read before you use the template. And finally we have the PSD, which is the Photoshop file, and the image. So all you have to do is open up the template folder and open up the PSD file, and as you can see, it will look exactly like this. Now all you need to do is go over to your layers and you want to press the eyeball icon on that first image, and you also want to open up the PSD group. You will also need to press the eyeball icon on that first group there, and now you can go ahead and use the template. As you can see right now, I did leave everything grouped, so if you do wish to change anything, then you can do so. Say for example, you want to add a different render, all you have to do is go inside the render group and literally disable this one and add your new one in. So I'm sure you all want to know how to change the text, and it's actually really simple. You just have to press T on your keyboard to grab the text tool here on the left hand side, and now you literally want to click on your text. So say for example this one, I've lost the back in there we go. Click on your text and then just write whatever you want. So I'm going to write hey, I don't know, and also you want to go onto the text that says backing, and you want to click on that and write the exact same thing. And as you can see right now, the text does have this sort of like almost 3D look to it. Now all you have to do is, if it's too big, obviously decrease the size or increase it if you have to. Just press Ctrl T on your keyboard in order to do this, and then hold down Shift and you can increase the size or decrease it. Now all you have to do is repeat those steps for all of the other text. So say for example you want to change this and you want to write visual lad, I don't know. Once you have written the text for the top layer, you want to disable it, and you want to also write it for the backing, as I said before, visual lad. And then now I'm going to select both of them by pressing Control on both layers and then just decrease the size of that there, and as you can see, that looks perfect. You can also go ahead and move it up or down if you wish. And yes, it's as simple as that. As I said, you just repeat these steps for all of the text layers, and then once you are done, there is some final effects I always add to my thumbnails. So you just want to make sure you have the group selected, press Ctrl J on your keyboard and then Ctrl E, and that will merge it into a single layer. Now press Ctrl J one more time, go to filter, select high pass, go to filter, select other, sorry, and then select high pass. Make sure the radius is on around about 1 pixels, I'm going to say. And now all you need to do is go over to the right hand side, and where the blending options are, change that to overlay, and as you can see, it will just add some more detail to the thumbnail. You can also go ahead and add other things like magic bullet looks. As you can see right now, if you look at my finished one here, that is another effect I did add. I also did add a sharpen effect, I believe. So if you want to add that, just duplicate it again, go to filter, select sharpen and sharpen again, and as you can see, if you zoom out, it's just going to be easier to see all of the details when the sharpen is on. And yes guys, it is as simple as that to edit the template. Hopefully it does go on to help you, and if you do go on to use it, make sure to leave a like on the video. That would be much appreciated. Also, if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please consider subscribing to the channel with post notifications on, and you will be notified every time I upload a brand new video. And yes guys, that is it for the video. Hopefully you did enjoy. This has been Visual or James, and I'm out. Peace.